This is about my recently acquired jeweler's lathe and the even more recent mini cabinet that I made for it. Meet Chuck. Meet speed control. More about that in a moment. Watch this. Engaged. Disengaged. The motor is mounted on a rat trap type spring. Here's a 360. While we watch it, I'll tell you about that speed control pedestal. I put water in a bucket and sprayed lacquer on the surface. Then I quickly dipped a small metal can in at the desired angle. I cut that line with tin snips and then tidied up by holding it against a belt sander. I placed the cut face on some sheet aluminum, traced the oval, and cut it out. Epoxied the oval in place, filed and painted. The drawer features a retracting knob. It has some other features too, such as a secret latch. This brass release rod already had a long career as a toilet bolt. It is just starting its new life as a drawer button. Open. Closed. This next is the secret to power. When you know the secret, power is yours. Off. On. Off. On. Something going on here. Does it really run? Let's get that motor going. Okay, let's take a look at that drawer. The switch we've seen. Not every drawer has a slot like that either. And on the back, aha, spring fingers. Inside the drawer bay we have a couple copper strips on the bottom, the bolt post that supports the lathe, which explains that slot, and the latch there at the back. Now for the lathe in actual use. Doing some setup. I have the cutting bit rather extended here, but I got away with it. No singing, no chattering. Size check. A bit of polishing. Thanks for watching.